In this exercise, we will learn the pattern stamp tool. It is basically a very simple tool. We can paint on an image using a pattern tool. Okay, let's see how this tool works. If I move my arrow key on Stamp Tool and right-click on it, we can see the Pattern Stamp tool underneath the Clone Stamp tool. Or we can press Shift and S to choose this tool. Okay, I have an image open and we have different patterns above here. We can choose any of them to apply. Let's say this one. Start painting on the image, something like that. You can see this type of effect. We can try another pattern. Let's say this one, and paint something like that. Now we can see it's just creating a pattern. This tool will work to create a pattern on images. If we would like to create our own pattern, for example, we would go to the Edit menu and click on the Define Brush Pattern. And here we type any brush name and click OK. And then go to the pattern and we can see we have created this pattern. Okay, now if I create a new layer on it and hide this one layer to check the pattern, then start painting on an image, we can see the results. Okay, next we have some options above. This option we have already done. It will work the same, but the option is different. That is Impressionist. If I check this mark and try it, something like that, we can see it is making all the images blurred, and it mixes everything up. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the History Brush Tool.